In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Stripe Express account. Whether you're a contractor, freelancer, or seller, understanding how to log into your Stripe Express account is essential for managing your finances and transactions effectively. Let's walk through this process together for a seamless experience. First, to begin your login journey, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. Once it's up and running, head over to connectstripe.com Express Login. This is going to be your portal into the Stripe world. You'll start by entering the email address linked to your Stripe Express account. If you find yourself scratching your head trying to remember which email you used, don't worry. Take a moment to check any past emails you might have received during your Stripe onboarding or related to tax information. These often contain your linked email address, providing a helpful reminder. If you're still unsure, reaching out to your platform operator is always a reliable way to confirm the correct email. After entering your email, Stripe will do its part to ensure your security. Keep an eye on your phone because you'll receive a 6-digit SMS code sent directly to the phone number registered with your Stripe Express account. This code is crucial for completing your login, so make sure you enter it accurately. Now, sometimes life happens, and you might find that you've lost access to the phone number associated with your account. If this is your situation, fret not. Stripe has you covered. Simply click on the option labeled, "I no longer have access to this phone number." This will guide you through an alternative verification method via email, allowing you to regain access and also update the phone number linked to your account. It's also worth mentioning that, for your convenience, you can be redirected to this login procedure from various platforms you might use. If you're navigating through a platform's dashboard or perhaps using a WooCommerce admin panel, you can easily find yourself at the right login screen. Look for interface options like Edit Details, followed by Manage Stripe Express to guide you there. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to access your Stripe Express account without any hiccups. Remember, maintaining easy access to your account is important for managing your business transactions smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore more of our videos or contact Stripe support for additional assistance. Happy logging in!